Hey everybody, and welcome back to VGBoombox. I'm Bobby, and in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at the Dragon View song titled Tales of a Broken Heart. As you can see, we're switching things up for this tutorial. All of my previous tutorials have been on the keyboard. This time we're going to do a bass guitar tutorial. This song has a very simple bass line. I think it's a very good one if you're new to the bass, if you need something to kind of practice with. If you want to play along with my video for this song, this would be a great one to play along with. This song only has 4 unique notes. We'll go over those briefly in a moment. So we got 4 unique notes, 2 distinct phrasings, very similar with one little switch up on the second part, but pretty simple song, good one to practice. If you're completely new to the bass, I'll just kind of tell you a few little things. We're going to be playing these notes on the 3rd and 4th string. The note strings are counted from the thinnest string to the thickest string. Thinnest string being the 1st string, 2nd string is the next one, then the 3rd string, then the 4th string. Thickest string is the 4th string. That's going to be the closest one to you. This is the E string. And the other string we're going to be playing is the 3rd string, which is the A string. All right, so the very first note of this song is the note C, which is going to be the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. And to fret a note, you don't want to press down on the metal bar or the fret. You want to go towards the head of the guitar and play up against the fret, okay? So you don't want to be all the way over to the left, but you want to be just before the fret. So from the head over to the fret. So this is the 3rd fret, so we're going to come to the left of the fret, play right up against the fret. I hope that makes sense. Hope you can see what I'm doing here. So 3rd string, 3rd fret, that's C. Then with my right hand, since this song is very simple, generally when I play bass I would alternate between these 2 fingers. But since this song is very simple, I'm pretty much just going to play the whole song with my first finger. So when I play the note, I'm just going to gently strum down. It's what they call a rest note. So when I pluck this string gently with my fingertip, my fingernail, you don't want to use your fingernail. It sounds very coarse. You want to use the soft pad of your finger. When I fret this, or when I play this note, when I pick this note, I'm going to come to rest on the string right below it. So that's why it's called a rest stroke. So I'm going to gently press that and come to rest on the thickest, the number 4 string. All right, so I'm going to fret with my left hand, pluck with my right hand. That's the first note. The second note, which is a B flat, is going to be the 1st fret of the same string. So we're going to go from this note to this note. The next note is the 4th fret of the 4th string. So we're going to switch now, and we're going to come up to the thickest string, and we're going to play the 4th fret. Now, playing with the pinky can be challenging, especially when you're first starting out, but it helps a lot to practice using all 4 of your fingers, and it really helps to try to, when you can, play the 1st fret with your 1st finger, 2nd fret with your 2nd finger, 3rd fret with your 3rd finger, and 4th fret with your 4th finger. So for practical purposes, I recommend play this 4th fret with your pinky. Okay, so first part is going to be played like this. 3, 1, 4, 3. Okay. Then the second part is going to be the same 4 notes, but the rhythm is a little different. So the second part is 3, 1, 4, 3, 3. Okay. I'm going to play that again. 3, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 3. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with this song, this is not, I don't think this game is like super popular. I have like literally I have like thousands of songs on my computer. So, you know, sometimes I'll just hear a song and say, hey, I like that song, so I'm going to play it whether it's a popular song or not. So you may not have actually ever played this game. You may have never heard this song. But if you hadn't heard it, check out my video. Link is in the description below. And you can hear it. Then you can practice along. Once you hear it, then you'll hear where the bass line falls. It's very distinct. The song is just the bass line and the piano. So you'll hear the bass line, and then you'll be able to play the song. I mean, you could literally play it in one tab, and then you could like practice on top of it. You could play the tutorial in another tab, and you can figure it out. Y'all are smart people. So check out the video, play along, practice along. Again, it's just 4 notes: 3, 1, 4, 3. That's the whole song. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So first bass tutorial today. Next tutorial, I'm not sure. We'll see what song comes next. Maybe another keyboard song, maybe an acoustic guitar song. I've got several songs in the works, so I'm not really sure what the next tutorial will be, but I do know there will be another one. As usual, like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to support the channel, hop over to the Patreon page, www.patreon.com/VGBoombox. We have 3 membership tiers, which consist of 8-bit, 16-bit, and 64-bit. 64-bit being the Elite Grandmaster. Of course, the Elite Grandmaster is going to get you access to everything. Membership tiers range from $1, $3, and $5 a month, respectively. I won't go into all the details about the membership tiers. Just hop over to the Patreon page. Link is in the description below. Join today. Get plugged in so you don't miss anything. As always, like, subscribe, bookmark us, turn on notifications and all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more songs and more tutorials. And I will see you very soon. Be blessed.